All right, what's up, YouTube family? Israel here. Adrian is not here today, but we've been having this issue with our toilet. This is our next room. Well, actually, the kitchen is next. The bathroom is gonna be like the third room in the house. We're gonna remodel because we got some paint that needs to be done and whatnot. But anyway, every time we flush our toilet right here, let me show you.
Damn, son.
Stuff is vibrating in the back. You can hear it really well. And it just sounds like it's about to give out. So I went and bought a new fill valve, and I'm about to replace this. Matter of fact, I'm looking at this brown door. We're going to replace the doors too. We got a lot of home improvement we're going to be doing on this channel, so I'm glad you guys are here with us. I got this tool, and I got this replacement, and I'm about to drain the water underneath here. Let me show you guys what I'm about to do. So to take this off, that shouldn't be making a hissing noise like that, but I'm about to replace this area right here. I'm going to drain the water, cut the water off first, then drain it, and then take this loose under here with the pliers and replace it with this new fill valve. And it should stop all this rattling behind the wall back here, and it should work like a brand new toilet. So here we go. So the first thing I just did, I just cut the water off down at the bottom to the right hand side. So now when I flush it, I'm just holding it down to get rid of all the water I can get rid of. I'm gonna clean this out while I'm here, because my wife is like, why you in there? Go ahead and clean it. This is from years of buildup, of course, and none of this is stool. This is just, I guess, rust. It just looks a little nasty, so I'm trying to clean this up. So she's gonna ask me if I did this. So let's clean it first, and then let's repair. Gotta get this lock off. I got it started. The pliers there, now I'm good. Sure, a little bit more water is gonna run out, so I'm ready for it. Had to pull this on out. And I got me an old shirt right here I'm gonna use to get any excess water and to help with the cleaning inside of here. Alright, so I got it completely drained. I got it cleaned up to the best of my ability. I use my old white t-shirt I'm no longer using. I'm also going to use that shirt to get up some of this water that barely hit the floor here. But yeah, I don't know what those two things are, but they look like they might be the brown things. I think that was what made the discoloration over here. But I'm not sure what they are. I grabbed them. They feel pretty tough. Maybe some kind of a metal or something that's turning colors, or some kind of a glue or something. I'm not sure. But it's a rubbery, hard feel to it. So I'm not sure if it's metal, but maybe it's metal with an outside layer of rubber, some kind of a sticky glue. But either way it go, this is cleaner than what it was, so I'm sure she'll be happy. Alright y'all, so far I had planned on not even using this because this is already in here, and as you see, I would have to, it doesn't have like a lip like this where I can just place it on there. I have to break it, or not break it, just uninstall it properly. So I'm not with that. This part is not broke, the blue part is not broke at all, so I'm not going to take this off. But I have this new part already installed, so I'm about to cut the water back on and let's see what happens. All right. So far, it is filling back up. It's really easy to put this in here, by the way. Wasn't hard at all. Letting it fill up. There's no leaks underneath here. No water coming out. That's a good sign. There's no leaks, there's no water. It's still filling up right now, so that's a great sign. Once we get done filling up, I'm gonna flush it and see if we hear a bunch of vibration behind the wall and feel the vibrations like we used to. Let's see. The part that was messed up was this, and so far so good. I hear it stopping. Here's the old piece that I took out, and I'm about to flush this to see if I hear any loud noises. Let's see. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. So there you have it, folks. One half of Adrian for Israel, or Adrian in Israel, however you want to put it. AdrianForIsrael.com is the website. A lot of home improvement. I'm looking forward to showing you guys the process, showing you guys the progress, and hope we can all just live and grow together in this YouTube community we're living in. So I'll see you guys on the next one.